Yeah, wait. Can I have some apple slices, someone?
Yeah.
The chef.
Now, you run apple at bar.
Chips, Trav.
Yeah.
It's fine, freeze fine. Garnish for next one.
Just
Yeah. You can do the chips, come back. Okay. Oh, can you just put it on his fat, please? On your left, on your left. Oh, what the fuck's that? Watercress, please, Trav. Thank you. Garnish for next one, yeah? No, come back. Looks a bit shit, no? No volume. Okay, garnish, please.
Yep.
Service, please. Yeah. Thank you. What? Thank you.
Yeah, no issue.
Crushed potatoes.
Yeah,
Wilted wild garlic. Travi, 4 minutes on 2 lamb as well, capsicum allergy.
Hands away on the...
Yeah. 4 minutes 2 lamb, one with a capsicum.
Huh?
4 minutes 2 lamb.
Yeah.
One's got a capsicum allergy, yeah?
What?
Capsicum, pepper.
Pepper in the... Yeah, but that's just to make sure.
Ah, yeah.
Decided to put something in there, but...
Yes, chef.
Maybe you think, oh, that's actually, I've got some bigger in there today, chef, for no reason at all, but that's not the way.
Yes, chef.
Well, the only thing we can to work together, do great, safe, then just...
I don't have any. No? No. Okay. You got wild garlic coming, Travi.
Yeah, I've just dropped it.
Pardon?
Spoon is coming today.
Wednesday, chef.
Walnut.
Get some colour on this first, then walnuts, yeah?
What do you need, mate?
I need 2 minutes, please.
Those left ones before you can go in.
Oh yeah.
Maybe shower in one now, mate.
Yeah, chef. Okay, let's go, Travi, please.
Yeah.
2 lamb after this, yeah? Huh? Service, please.
Add up wild garlic for a bit more.
Yeah, it's better than last time.
Alright, yeah, no worries.
How long on this? Yeah, that's good. Walnuts in. Ready to make. Service, please. Service, please.
Sorry, get that Caesar to that table. Eight sandwiches. Quick as possible. No, that's Caesar. Right, how long on the map?
Lamb is like 2 minutes. Yeah?
Yep.
Yep. You got boulanger and stuff, yeah?
Boulanger and the baby gem are in the oven.
Okay, well done.
Yeah, isn't he charged?
There you go, lamb's dressing, Travi.
Wait, and 40 on the road.
Yes, please.